We're out here doing motorcycle shit.
Chain conversions for gangster things.
What's going on, everybody? Just parked the daily at the house. Gonna take the work rig over to Ed's house. Testing out the new gimbal for the GoPro. Have no idea how it works. Get after. We got a Dyna garage going on here.
We really are a Dyna shop.
We got motorcycles. We got 2015 Dyna lowrider. We took off that corny pulley system and a belt. Cut that off. Got this fancy chain on here. We got these guys on the TV telling us how to do it, but basically you just get some tools, throw them on the ground, take all this shit off,
Rip apart half your engine.
put a chain on, put all this shit back on, call it good, and go do some nasty burnouts.
Yeah, hope it works.
Right, Ed? We got this baby blue Dyna.
Let's throw these together and try some burnouts out there.
Already got a chain kit on them. Doing some tire swapping. Full-blown Harley garage right here. We do gangster shit. Scrape fender. It's snowing right now, but if we get the bikes together, we might go do some donuts in the snow. Well, we got this piece on. Another important thing to remember is to torque your crap down. A lot of people use these torque wrenches, but they take too long. I just get one of these bad boys and count your ugga-duggas, and it'll get you there. However many foot-pounds, that's how many ugga-duggas you gotta use. Alright, like I said, we missed a few steps, but you just take shit off, put it back on. They got it in the video, all that. Little torque wrench, no more ugga-duggas. Tightening this back up. What do you think, Ed?
That was pretty good.
How we doing?
I don't know, looks good to me.
It took longer for Ed to do his tire than it did for us to put a chain kit on, but that's alright.
That tire was bullshit. And it's not even white wall.
Not even a white one.
It doesn't look white looks.
It's blue.
Yeah, but it has no white wall.
On the latest episode of Ed's Garage that we haven't started yet, we might get there eventually. We gotta remember to put this on. Ed, you wanna put this on?
Yeah, we gotta,
This is the only tutorial you get. Put this clip on the axle nut.
well, we gotta adjust it, don't we? We didn't tighten it down.
Just shut up. The screen goes blank.
This thing's a piece of shit.
You're a piece of shit.
How does it fucking go off?
Yeah, that's pretty tight.
Because it
We're gonna
saves
have
your
to-
battery.
Suck that in.
On the next tutorial, how to tighten a chain, maybe.
Wait, is this still recording?
Yes, it's still recording.
I knew that.
Thrash and supply, chain kit install, gas or sprocket.
Yeah, we gotta move that axle.
Here we are. We got the Dyna out of the garage. Got the chain kit installed. So far, so good. See if we can figure out how to do these burnouts. Well, the donut burnouts. Burnout ain't bad. We got Ed. Finally got a hard tire on his bike. We got donut practice out here. Nobody knows how to do it, but we're gonna find out. Right here in the residential neighborhood. Hell yeah. We're gonna see if we can figure out how to do a donut. Been out of the garage for 10 minutes.
die, wait.